Hey there everyone, it's Joe and
Michael
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, selling you the best bullion bars and coins shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia. We're having a party.
We are.
You're invited, I'm invited, everyone's invited. Why?
Because on Wednesday, the 1st of September, at 9:15 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time, we are releasing the 2022 Perth Mint Bullion Coin images.
Woo!
So all the images for the tiger, for the kookaburra, for the koala and the kangaroo for the year 2022.
Fantastic. And when we say we're having a party, we actually mean
that's right.
We're having a party.
We're going to make it big.
Well, everyone will see what's going to happen and it's going to be fun. And so it's just obviously for the design release.
Yes.
It's not the actual metal release, right?
No, it's not. Well, you can't place an order on the day. We actually can't take orders until a couple of weeks afterwards, but we can show all the designs, all the pictures, and there's some really great designs on there.
And what time was that?
At 9:15 a.m.
And that's
Australian Eastern Standard Time, so it's 2 hours before the West Australians wake up.
Ooh.
And it's on Wednesday, the 1st of September.
Does that mean we might have the world's first before anyone else?
I think we will. I think if you want to see it first anywhere, you need to tune in to our live stream.
9:15 Wednesday, the September the 1st.
That's the one.
Australian Eastern Standard Time.
That's
Streamers and party poppers and whatever face paint. Let's do it. We'll do it. We'll get it done.
We'll have lots of fun.
Absolutely. I'll put a link above or below right now to the actual live stream page.
Yep.
That's actually live right now, so just go over there, bookmark it and get ready for September the 1st at 9:15 a.m. bright and early.
We will be showing all the images. We will actually be showing some of the coins and that type of thing as well.
Beautiful.
So it's the place to be if you want to see all of the 2022 Bullion program out of Perth Mint.
Excellent. All right. Head to bullionnow.com.au as usual. Bookmark that live stream page and we'll see you on Wednesday the 1st. Party pants on.
That's the one.
Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. That's it from me.
And from me too.
We'll see you soon.
See ya.